Very easy to use, with instant confirmation and access to QR. I used it as soon as I purchased it. We used it for authentic okonomiyaki, peaceful bike day hire and a Rizuru Tower. Hiroshima was beautiful to visit. I encountered Pluke's buy one get one free offer, which is very cost effective. Use Iki at Paper Crane Tower and Hiroshima Station to buy souvenirs and okonomiyaki. However, be careful about how to exchange tickets. Paper Crane Tower pays the difference at the counter to exchange for tickets and Iki. Redeem at the service desk. If okonomiyaki is in a Hiroshima yaki shop on the 6th floor, you can directly ask any clerk and they will tell you which store to redeem. The 1,500 yen coupon redeemed can be used at any Hiroshima yaki shop on the 6th floor. There is no restriction. You must go to the room where you redeem the coupon. Best pass to use for traveling in Hiroshima. Great savings for using the Shinkansen within the area. We enjoyed using the Have Fun Pass in Hiroshima. Very worth it. No hassle to use this. Worth buying. It was a great deal. We visited the Yamato Battleship Museum and paid a $1,000 yen voucher. Then we went to the Folding Tower, which had a $1,000 yen discount. In addition, it also included a $1,500 big camera voucher, very useful. Best pass to use for our Kansai and Hiroshima trip. Very helpful during our travel to and from Hiroshima and Shinosaka. The Hiroshima Enjoy Pass made it easy and affordable to eat and shop at the station front shopping center, as well as visit nearby classic attractions. It's a great deal and saved me a lot of travel expenses. Buy the Hiroshima Enjoy coupon to easily enjoy food, drinks, shopping, and boat rides in Hiroshima without any burden. It's super cost effective, so I highly recommend it to anyone traveling to Hiroshima. The Hiroshima Enjoyment Pass offers a choice of 7 options, redemption is very convenient, and it's extremely cost effective. You can choose from Iki, afternoon tea at the Hotel Grand via Hiroshima, Hiroshima style okonomiyaki, etc. It's fantastic.